We'll guide you through how to make Halftone Corel Draw. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial to learn how to create halftone effects in CorelDRAW for modern graphic designs. It helps designers add texture, depth, and visual interest to shapes. This technique is commonly used for posters, branding elements, backgrounds, and print-ready artwork that requires a stylized, professional look. To begin this tutorial, open CorelDRAW on your computer to begin creating a halftone style effect from a simple shape. Click New Document to create a new file and prepare the workspace for editing. Select the ellipse tool from the toolbar so you can draw a circular shape. Click and drag on the canvas while holding the Control key to draw a perfect circle with equal width and height. Change the circle color based on your preference, for example red, using the color palette. Set the outline width to none to remove the stroke and keep the shape clean. Click Effects on the top menu and select Pointillizer to apply a dot-based effect. Adjust the density based on your needs, for example 3, to control dot spacing. Choose the tile shape, for example circle, to maintain a round dot appearance. Click Apply to save the changes. Click Bitmaps on the top menu and select Convert to Bitmap. Change the resolution based on your needs, for example 300 dpi for better quality. Change the color mode, for example 𝗕𝘂𝘀𝗀𝗀𝗀 color for print-ready output. Click OK to confirm the bitmap conversion. Select the Transparency tool from the toolbar to add fading. Select Fountain Transparency to enable gradient transparency. Select Elliptical Fountain Transparency to match the circular shape. Adjust the transparency handles based on your preference to create a smooth halftone fade effect. This final adjustment allows the dots to gradually disappear toward the edges, creating a professional halftone appearance. The elliptical transparency helps maintain symmetry while softening the overall look of the design. By carefully positioning the transparency handles, you can control how strong or subtle the fading effect appears across the circle. The result is a clean halftone graphic suitable for posters, prints, or background elements.